Hello boys and girls. Let's talk about directions. Don't forget, directions tell us where we can find places, people, and objects. This arrow points up. This arrow points down. This arrow points to the right. This arrow points to the left. Let us now look at the cardinal points. The arrow that points upwards is north. The arrow that points downwards is south. The arrow that points to the right is east. The arrow that points to the left is west. These are the cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. It's easy to remember your cardinal points. Always remember the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. So boys and girls, if you are facing the sun when it rises in the morning, you are facing east. If you stretch your arms outwards whilst facing the sun, your left arm will point to the north, while your right arm will point to the south, and your back will be facing west. Try it at home. Now, boys and girls, let us look at the cardinal points to help us find the location of places. In our drawing, we see the cardinal points up here: north, south, east, and west. What we actually have here is a map with various places in the map. For example, we have a house, park, grocery, an oak tree, and the school. We want to learn how to find certain places using our cardinal points. So boys and girls, imagine you are standing in the house and you want to get to the park. You will have to walk in this direction going right. Let's now look at the cardinal points. If you were going right, it means you would go east. So from the house, you would walk east to get to the park. Pretend now you are at school. And from school, you would like to get to the grocery. You will be walking in this direction, to the left. And if you look at your cardinal points, you will see that if you are going to the left, it means you are going west. So boys and girls, if you are at school and you need to get to the grocery, you must walk west to get to the grocery. Now, pretend you are standing by the oak tree. and you want to get to the house, you will walk in an upwards direction. And if you look at the cardinal points, if you move upwards, it means you are going north. So from the oak tree where you would be standing, you would walk north to get to the house. Now pretend you are in the park. If you are in the park and you want to get to school, you would have to walk in this direction going downwards. Downwards. If you now look at your cardinal points, if you are going downwards, it means you are going south. So children, from the park, you want to get to the school, you would walk south to get to school. Excellent work, boys and girls.